Welcome back to Yarn Inspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to do a purl in the back loop. So you're just looking at it from this point of view. So in order to do it, you have to make sure that your yarn strand is going to be in the front as if you're regularly purling. So normally what you would do with purl is that you would go into the front side just like so, wrap the stitch and bring it on through. But this is a back loop, so we have to concentrate in behind this needle. Okay, so what we have to do is that we have to make sure that when we go to access this, we come around the back and pick it off just like you see here, and then go into the front. This causes the stitch to turn around. It's called twisting. So then you're just going to knit as normal. Okay, so this is a purl. So just bringing it on through and just sliding off. So if you're asked to do this stitch again, so if it's a purl 1 TBL as it's referred to, you're going to purl, but instead of going into front side, you come in from the back and just pick it up just like so, and then just wrap and follow through. Okay, so just in, okay, coming up from the back side. Okay, this causes the stitch to turn around and twist, and then wrapping it and back through and slide off. So that's how you do one of these for a purl 1 TBL in order to do a purl in the back loop just like you see here. Until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of Yarn Inspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.